This morning we're continuing our coverage and our conversation around the Uplift Harris program.
Yeah, the program is specifically meant to help low-income residents living within high-poverty zip codes. Applications were originally scheduled to open this past Monday, January 8th, but that was rescheduled to this morning at 9 a.m. And we just checked the website. No hiccups to report. Everything's going smoothly. Here with us now this morning to share more is Barbie Robinson, Executive Director of Harris County Public Health. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we're excited to learn more about this. We talked a little bit about it, letting folks know that this is really just such a great program to help families that are in a little bit of extra need this time.
Yeah, it's really a historic moment for Harris County to launch the Guaranteed Income Uplift Harris County. We know that there's deep disparities and inequities that were magnified during COVID, inflation, a history of poverty in certain parts of Harris County, and this is really an opportunity for us to reduce poverty within the county and help families with some of their basic essential needs. And so we're excited to launch the program today.
And there are some, I guess, requirements, you would say. Folks have to live in a certain zip code, and then there's some income requirements too.
Yeah, so we base this program on individuals living in what we call the top 10 highest poverty zip codes within Harris County. And so individuals living there or individuals that actually are participating in our Access Harris County initiative, which is a care coordination program for vulnerable individuals, they also are eligible to participate. Individuals need to be 18 years of age or older, and their income needs to be either at or below 200% of the federal poverty level.
Okay, so how can people apply? If they're, I mean, $500 a month is a lot of money for a lot of families, right?
Yeah.
That's going to help big time.
Yeah, so it's $500 a month for 18 months, and individuals can apply online on our website. We also have what we call 12 community hub entities within these zip codes that are known as social support entities, churches, etc., and they're ready to help individuals fill out the applications as well.
And there's no limits to how these people can use the money. If a family needs it, when they're awarded this money, they can use it as they see fit to care for their family.
Yes, that is what we're proving in this pilot. There are approximately 45 other jurisdictions across the country that have launched guaranteed income programs and showing promising outcomes as it relates to reducing poverty. And so what we know is individuals know best what their needs are, basic necessities, utility bills, right, an unexpected emergency expense, their car breaks down. So we know that these funds can be utilized in ways that help folks. Really, some of the research shows that people in other jurisdictions that have participated, they've been able to get better jobs. They've improved their health and well-being. They've been able to spend more time with their children. So we know that we're hopeful that we'll see the same outcomes here in Harris County.
And Barbie, poverty doesn't just affect the families, right? The families that are going through this. It impacts the entire community. So helping families get through this with this program, that's going to help out the community as well.
Absolutely. We know that all boats rise together, as they say, and so we're grateful to see how communities can be transformed by individuals having economic opportunity.
And you're going to study some of these families or look at some of the data points and try to figure out, how will you know, maybe, or will you know, or how will you know if it will have made the impact that you hoped for? Yeah,
so we actually have partnered with a research entity to help us study the impacts, and so after the application closes and individuals are selected, then we'll be able to track and monitor, engage with them, conduct interviews about the quality of life post receiving these dollars.
It's going to be amazing. All right, well, how can people apply really quickly? They can go online.
Yes.
What is the website?
So it is uplift.harriscountytx.gov. Individuals can go on and fill out the application. And the process, the way that it works is we will have, it doesn't matter when you apply. It's not a first come, first serve. Everyone has an equal chance of being randomly selected to participate. So when the application period closes on February 2nd at 11:59 1:59 p.m., our vendor, Give Directly, will then do a random selection of 6,000 applicants from the total. They will do a verification of the eligibility requirements and then again randomly select 1,925 families to participate. And so, folks, please fill out the application. As I said, I want to emphasize it's not a first come, first serve. Everyone has an equal chance to get.
And even if you're not sure exactly, do I fit these numbers? I mean, you can at least apply, and then if you get weeded out, so be it, but at least you've put your name in the ring.
Right, and that we really want this to be helpful and impactful, so we're standing at the ready with our community partners that are helping us, as well as the vendor, to help folks really work through the eligibility requirements.
All right. Barbie Robinson, thank you so much for
Thank you
joining
for
us this morning. All right, we are linking you to the program on our website, click2houston.com, for the application and all the information.